All right, folks, let's play a guessing game. How much wood do you think is in this load? 50 tons? Nope. 70 tons? Higher. A mind-blowing 85 tons. Can you believe it? 85 tons on a steep, treacherous dirt road. Talk about high stakes. These drivers have nerves of steel, wouldn't you agree? I can confidently assert that the Scania 650 V8 evokes an immediate sense of desire in any observer. Its design masterfully blends elegance with power, reminiscent of a regal knight, steadfast and protective. Scania, it seems, isn't merely selling a vehicle, but rather an aspirational dream. If you're looking for a peaceful place to relax and reflect, come to the Yoinsu Canal. Sitting by the canal, watching the logs float by, you'll feel all your worries melt away. This is a wonderful place to connect with nature and find balance in life. Loading wood onto a ship is not merely manual labor, but a true art form. Each heavy log is lifted and stacked meticulously like chess pieces on a chessboard. The sound of wood colliding, mixed with the laughter of the workers, creates a vibrant symphony of labor. Each log carries its own story, and when loaded onto the ship, they become like seagulls ready for a new journey, full of adventure and promise. I'm truly impressed by the ingenuity of helicopter logging. It's a testament to human innovation and our ability to find solutions that benefit both industry and the environment. It's heartening to see that we can harvest resources responsibly, minimizing harm to the delicate ecosystems we depend on. It gives me hope for the future. Navigating a muddy dirt road, a tight bend, and a steep incline would be challenging enough in any vehicle. Now imagine doing it in a logging truck that's longer than a school bus. It's a testament to the skill and determination of these drivers that they can conquer such obstacles. This Volvo wheel loader is on a roll. It's like a kid in a candy store, gobbling up those logs and stacking them high. It's having so much fun, it's contagious. It makes me want to put on some music and dance along. Work hard, play hard, that's the motto. Let's observe this log arch. With just a basic frame design, we can effortlessly tow massive logs weighing hundreds of pounds using an ATV. This simple yet highly effective design truly shines in confined spaces where large machinery struggles to access. Moreover, it's budget-friendly and easy to build. This is undoubtedly a must-have tool for any wood enthusiast.
Just a bit to take some weight off.
Its incredible balance, combined with the tree-cutting grapple, the M545 transforms into a spider, maneuvering effortlessly through its territory to hunt its prey. Own the M545, and harvesting trees on steep slopes will no longer be a concern. Oh my goodness, that video was incredible. It felt like the truck was dancing with the landscape. In Maine, winter wood prep is a time-honored tradition, especially within the state's vast forests. As autumn arrives, folks gather and cut wood from the woods, then haul it home along forest trails. The buzz of the saw and the scent of pine, it paints a picture of cozy fires, doesn't it? you believe what these truckers go through? Seriously, it's like an action movie out there. Dodging obstacles, battling the elements, all while keeping those massive rigs under control. It's mind-blowing. Have you ever met a trucker? I'd love to hear their stories.
¿Más para atrás, no? ¿Tres talachos?
Think a fallen tree is harmless? Think again. It's like a sleeping dragon ready to surprise you. Now, this is a maritime incident you don't see every day. A massive log carrier, the Jody F. Millennium, runs aground after leaving the wharf. Talk about a rough day at sea. It took helicopters and tugboats weeks to get her free. A fascinating case study in salvage operations. To fell a giant like this, it takes more than just the right tools. It demands a woodsman at the peak of his craft. The precision of each cut, the confidence of every swing. This is the mark of a seasoned professional, someone who truly understands the art of tree felling.